Strategic Planning in Excel. Action Plan Excel. Take control of your business growth with the Strategic Planning in Excel template, a powerful, easy-to-use tool designed to help you create, track, and manage your strategic goals and action plans all in one place. Strategic planning is essential for any small business aiming to thrive in a competitive market. This Excel template guides you through the entire process, from defining your mission and vision to monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, that measure your success. It transforms your strategic vision into actionable steps and measurable results. The template contains the following modules. Configuration. In this section, set up the spreadsheet by entering data like start, month and year, company name and slogan, and configuring KPIs. Additionally, in Module 1.1 you can register your company's strategic areas. It is enabled to work with 8 areas. To conclude Module 1.2, you're now able to register your team responsible for implementing your strategic plan. Up to 8 managers can be registered. This module is structured into 5 sections, each enabling the recording of specific strategic elements. 2.1, a strategy statement to articulate your vision, mission, and core values. 2.2, the definition of strategic objectives, with a maximum of 6 goals for the overall strategic plan. 2.3, for each established objective, the ability to set up to 10 subordinate objectives, facilitating a detailed breakdown aligned with your strategic priorities. 2.4, the development of key performance indicators, KPIs, allowing the assignment of up to 10 KPIs per objective to ensure effective monitoring and measurement of progress. 2.5, the formulation of action plans, where up to 100 activities can be recorded for each objective, enabling comprehensive tracking of implementation and progress. This methodology provides a structured approach to monitor and manage your strategic goals, ensuring alignment and accountability throughout the planning process. Reports. Building upon the goals, objectives, performance indicators, and action plans outlined in the previous module, this section provides a comprehensive analysis of your strategic plan's progress. It offers insights into key metrics such as current status, target benchmarks, percentage of achievement, traffic light indicators, and trend analyses for each goal. Data can be viewed on a monthly basis or as an overall summary. Additionally, this section allows for the review of metrics and progress related to your action plan. Strategic Plan Dashboard. Access comprehensive information on the key performance indicators outlined in your strategic plan. View data such as achieved milestones, percentage completion, at-risk objectives, and accomplished goals. Action Plan. Monitor the key performance indicators associated with your action plan. Analyze metrics including total actions, average progress, overdue and pending tasks, actions categorized by status and objectives, and progress across various goals and areas. Strategic Plan Summary. An automatically generated report providing an overview of the process to achieve your strategic objectives. This includes strategic goals, specific objectives, and a performance summary. Strategic planning involves documenting and defining your business's direction by assessing current position and future aspirations. Leverage this template to facilitate growth and mitigate risks through key performance indicators, KPIs. Its purpose is to translate your strategic vision into tangible results across your organization. Additionally, it enables effective tracking of top management decisions through integrated reporting tools.
Template available at Solis Enterprises. Visit our websites excelprojectsaj.com and en.solisenterprisesstore.com.